Presenting you premium milk boiler from AadiVeer Kitchenwares. This milk boiler comes with premium stainless steel lid, premium Bakelite handles and one whistle indicator. It also comes with one funnel, two screws and one knob. Take half glass of water and attach the funnel into the visor. Pour the water inside the funnel slowly so that the water doesn't fall down. And remove the funnel and attach the whistle into the visor. Now pour the milk in the boiler according to its capacity. Now keep the milk boiler on gas stove and light it up. This milk boiler is also gas stove compatible and induction friendly. Now wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the water vapor comes out from whistle and starts whistling with the sound.
One of the main advantage of this milk boiler is it prevents milk spilling out the container. So you don't have to keep a look on the boiler all time. Now turn off the gas stove. And hold the milk boiler with handles carefully. Don't worry, these handles are heat-free. Make sure you pour the water in the boiler before boiling, or else the bottom will get burnt. Once you have emptied the boiler, remove the whistle and wash the vessel. This boiler is dishwater safe. AadiVeer milk boiler comes in 3 different sizes: 1 liter, 1.5 liter and 2 liters. Thank you for watching this video.